Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. So today we've got a sticker board update, and I've got 4 new stickers for the sticker board. So let's first of all have a look at, we got Steve here. So this is SJS Engineering, and Steve is in the UK. He's in Bristol. He's it's a 3D printed sticker, and Steve's got a fabulous Instagram account, and he's just looking at, I've got it up on the screen here, he's got 24,000 followers. So he's he does some fabulous engineering there, and here on his profile here, he's got the site covers model engineering, workshop machine tools, and making things in my workshop. Now, when you look at the quality of what he does on Instagram, it truly is, really good, and you can understand why he has that many followers. So if you're an Instagrammer, yeah, I would definitely go over and check out Steve. So that's at SGS Engineering. So thanks for that, Steve, and I'll put that on the sticker board in a moment. Okay, so the next one, we've got Ollie's workshop. Now, if you're a regular viewer, you will have known me talk about Ollie. Ollie gave me was kind enough to give me a height, I don't know what you call it, for centering your tools on a lathe, to get the right center height for your cutting tools, and I showed that in one of the other videos. Now Ollie's here again in the UK here, and he's he did a great series at Christmas, an Advent playlist, and effectively everyone every day he put up a different video, and I can pretty much guarantee someone else, or well, probably more than one, will be doing the same next year. It really was a good idea. Ollie's a very switched on young man, and very capable, and his channel is growing well. He's oh no, I've got George's there. Let's have a look at Ollie's. So he's up to 509 now, so he's doing well. Ollie's got a young family, so he works, so he's obviously time is at a premium, but I'm sure it'd be very great for you to go over and check him out, and hopefully subscribe. So thanks for the sticker, Ollie. It's a cool one as well. So yeah, that's good. So thanks, Ollie. With all these, I'll put the links to everyone's channel in the video description, and also in that video description there'll be a link to the playlist where you can find the details of all the subscribers on, well, not subscribers, YouTube creators on my sticker board. Okay, so let's nip over to the US. So what we've got here is Mick's workshop. Now Mick's in the US, and he started out, I think it was last year, the early part of last year, he started his channel, got going all great guns, and then took the summer off to learn to sail. So I think he's back now, and he's making videos. Let's have a look. He's got 157 subscribers at the time of making this video, and he's just done a really interesting build. He's taken like a tool cart, and he's put his his saw on there, and he's added coolant, and then because of the temperature where he lives, he's had to add something to keep the coolant from stop it from freezing. So it's been a pretty interesting build. So yeah, I'm sure he'll be very grateful for you to go and visit him. He's also got an Instagram account, and that's where we first met. So yeah, that's Mick's workshop. So thanks for that, Mick. And the last one today is from let's get George's up. So we've got George's Basement Workshop. Now George is a British gentleman, and he's living in Canada now. And when I first came across George's channel, I was looking at all the he's got some videos, and you can see the property he's got, and these videos, I think if you watch the first one, you can see the property he's got, and it's really, really lovely, you know. But it's in the summer. I think his last video, there's just so much snow. It's unbelievable. So as you can guess, George's workshop's in the basement. He's got a lathe, a milling machine, and some other bits and bobs, and he's just starting sort of on his journey, really, machining. He doesn't make hundreds of videos, just makes them now and again, and I think the winter sort of does slow him down a little bit, because it is pretty cold, and I would think I would just want to stay near a fire. So George has currently got 52 subscribers, so he definitely will be grateful for some people to come over and check him out. So thanks for that, George. And yeah. So what I'm going to do, we've got these four. I'm going to go and put them on the sticker board, and then I'll bring you back and let you have a look at those. All right, so back in a minute. Hi everyone, so this is sticker board number 1, just sort of give you a quick look at that. As I mentioned before, links to all these guys you can find by going to the video description of this video. There'll be a link to the sticker board playlist, and all these guys are there. So let's go over to sticker board number 2, and here's the guys we've added today. So we've got George, Ollie, Mick and Steve, and I did say Steve was in Bristol, but he's in Filton, which is near Bristol. So thanks to you guys for your stickers, very much appreciated, and thanks to everyone for watching today. So as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.